to tell me something?
Is black your favorite color too?
No way! I love pink. Yay for pink.
I guess pink wins.
Yeah.
And it looks like there's an ant in your face. I'll stick it out. There you go.
Thanks. What's your favorite color?
Green.
That's nice. What's your name?
Colin.
Colin what?
Gray.
What's your sister's name?
Lydia.
Lydia what?
Jane.
What's your other sister's name?
Elise.
Elise what?
I know.
Elise Juliet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Hi, Steve.